Oh, sort those out. It cut me off after 15 minutes, so I've had to do a second video. The witches show Macbeth three apparitions. The first one is a head with armour on it. Macbeth says to the apparition, "Tell me your unknown power." And the witches reply, "He knows what you are. He knows thy thought. Hear his speech, but say thou not." So the spirit, he knows what you're thinking. Listen to him, but say nothing to him. And the first apparition, the first vision, if you like, the first ghost says, "Macbeth, Macbeth, Macbeth," with the exclamations to make it seem even more dramatic and powerful. "Beware, Macduff, beware the Thane of Fife." That's Macduff. "Dismiss me, enough," and then disappears. So his first warning from the first spirit is beware of Macduff. Macbeth, still speaking to the apparition, the severed head, says, "Whatever thou art, for thy good caution, thanks." So, whatever you are, for your warning about Macduff, thank you. Thou hast harped my fear, all right, but one word more. So you have confirmed what I already feared. I feared Macduff, and you have confirmed that I'm right to fear that. But one word more. So Macbeth wants to ask the spirit one more, and the witches speak on the spirit, the apparition's behalf. "He will not be commanded." Here's another more potent than the first. So you can't tell the spirit what to do. He won't do what you say. Here's another apparition, even more powerful than the last one. And the second apparition is a bloody child covered in blood. And it speaks to Macbeth. "Macbeth, Macbeth, Macbeth." Again, the exclamations in order to get his attention, make the message seem urgent. Macbeth said, "Had I 3 ears, I'd hear thee." He said, "Even if I had 3 ears, I'd hear you." So he's desperate to hear what the second apparition says. "Be bloody, bold, and resolute." So be brave, be strong, be firm, be violent, all those things. "Laugh to scorn the power of man, for none of woman born shall harm Macbeth." Now this becomes a crucial prediction. They are saying here, nobody born by woman shall kill or harm Macbeth. So nobody that is from a woman born, so nobody that's come out of a woman's womb, shall kill Macbeth. That's the second apparition's prediction. 4 questions on this page. First, please, what actually is the first apparition? What does it appear as? Secondly, what does it tell Macbeth? And you'll be able to guess the next one. What does the second apparition appear as? And what does it tell Macbeth? That's it for this week. Email me your answers. Hopefully that's it for all weeks. It's been an absolute pleasure doing these. But it will be much better to actually get back into the classroom and teach you Macbeth before the whites of your eyes. Have a good summer holiday. Cheerio. Bye bye.